Clinoxy Solutions Private Limited is the first clinical research organization in India approved by Indian Pharmaceutical Association. And the Clinoxy Solutions Private Limited is the first clinical research organization in India approved by American Accreditation Association from American government. I want to introduce Clinox accreditations, national accreditations, and international accreditations. Clinox solutions having national accreditations like LSSDC, Skill India, ISO, MSME, and central government affiliated. Apart from these, we are recognized in India through Indian Pharmaceutical Association IPA. We are only the first Clinox Solutions Private Limited affiliated and recognized from IPA. And Clean Oxy Solutions having international accreditations. So international accreditations like American Accreditation Association. In India, we are only the first clinical research organization approved by American government AAA, American Accreditation Association. So this is the American Accreditation Association certificate. Yeah, this is the National Accreditation Association certificates we have. LSSDC can see Skill India. I'm thrilled to introduce about young dynamic director of Clinoxy Solutions Private Limited, Satish Kumar Vamvarapu sir. Sir having 11 plus years of experience in clinical research, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, regulatory affairs, medical devices. And sir having a experience worked with the different MNC companies and CRO companies like Paraxel International, Clean Choice, Scient, Tech Mahindra, and Granules India Limited. Sir got awards and recognitions. So Sir got Career Empowerment Leader Award 2022 in WIP and IPA Telangana branch. Sir is a speaker in 73rd IPC conference in Hyderabad and 72nd IPC conference in Pune and a speaker in IPASF Congress in Haryana and Raipur. So Sir having a certifications Certified Advanced Career Counselor, Certified TUV and SUD Regulatory Notified Body. Yeah. So I want to introduce our CEO Director Sir. Have a few words to before starting this session. So good afternoon, sir. I believe Sir is here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead, Ravi. Please go ahead.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So I want to introduce our today's trainer, Debolina ma'am. She's having more than 10 plus years experience in this industry. She's working in a top MNC company in public health. So I want to introduce Debolina ma'am. Ma'am, are you there? Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Ma'am, can you increase your voice, ma'am? Your voice is not audible. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Sorry, ma'am. Yeah. Now you can, ma'am. Yes. It is visible, ma'am, now.
Is my screen visible?
Ma'am, it is showing as a blank.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is showing as a blank, ma'am. Like blank page. Again, you can share the screen, ma'am. Stop the screen and again you can share the screen.
Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can proceed, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. As you know that public health is the science of protecting and improving the health of people and their communities. And it is a very big multi-dimensional field. Public health is not concerned with the individual health. It is concerned with the population, the entire health of the population. And this population can be as small as a local neighborhood. It can be an entire country or a region and the entire world. As we know that in Clinoxy, this is the first organization in India which is approved by IPA and affiliated by American Accreditation Association. So our certificate is valid globally. The course is structured in a global format and the trainer here are working in the public health field. So you will learn in a very depth way and in a practical manner. So now we will discuss about the scope of public health. Public health has various diverse career opportunity. Public health professionals can work in various sectors like government agencies, NGOs, healthcare facilities, and research institutions. Also, in healthcare policy, public health professionals play a very important role in developing policies that address the current health challenges and contribute to a healthier communities. Through public health program, you can create a global impact also because public health professionals they have an important role at an international scale. They can work with different global health organizations and contribute into initiatives that are addressing pressing health challenges. The key features of public health. The key features are surveillance, epidemiology. In surveillance, the constant monitoring of health trends and threats by data collection, analysis of the data, and also early identification of any emerging issues, and also implement the targeted intervention to uh, face such challenges. Prevention and intervention is also a very important part in public health. Prevention in case of disease prevention, promotion of well-being through vaccination program, various educational campaign and policies that support healthy behavior and environment in the community. Also in health equity and social justice, as we know that in a global scale, not everyone is fortunate enough to afford equal health. So through public health professional, we can try to address such issues and we can reduce the health disparities and promote a better social justice for everyone. As our course structure is global standard and affiliated by American Accreditation Association, you can understand things in a very vast manner and you will learn the in-hand experience, the practical skills that are needed to excel in this field. Now, the major areas of employment in public health. Public health offers a diverse range of career paths that includes tackling crucial challenges, addressing health needs across diverse population. An undergraduate degree or a PhD degree can help you explore a wide range of career opportunities in different fields. Now, the major areas of public health. One is developing and implementing policies, programs that can promote public health, overall public health departments, agencies. And in this field, the roles are public health director, policy analyst, program manager, In case of environmental health, there is a lot of environmental hazard, occupational hazard. You can work in environmental health sector to make a sustainable environment and for promotion of environmental regulation and healthy behaviors. The roles are environmental health inspector, sanitation specialist, air quality researcher. Next is epidemiology and biostatistics. This field involve investigation of a disease outbreak, the pattern of a disease, collection of the data, and analyzing the data, and also identifying the risk factor related to the disease. And the roles involve epidemiologist, biostatistician, data analyst. As a public health professional, you have role in community also. In community, you can focus on developing and implementing educational program to create awareness about healthy behavior and address community health challenges. In community, the roles are community health educator, health promotion specialist, outreach workers. So, as we are going to follow international standard of course structure, you will learn everything in depth, and this will help you to build a solid career in public health. Now, the importance of public health in India. As we know, our country, India, is one of the largest country, and the disease burden is very high. Currently, India is dealing with a double burden of diseases, which is communicable and non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases like TB, various infectious diseases are still very much prevalent in India, and also non-communicable diseases like diabetes, hypertension, cancer. These all have created a big challenge on our health system. So India is in a need of a good public health professional who can help to protect and improve the health of our nation by promoting healthy behavior, preventive controlling diseases, conducting various researches, and also influencing policies. So here is the structure of public health care. First, what is the public health care system? Public health care system is regulated by government and funded by government. The universal health coverage is to address the quality and affordable health care for everyone, regardless of their ability to pay. Public healthcare system, the efficiency and accountability depends on the resource delivery, the transparency of the governance, and the accountability of the government. Now we are going to discuss what are the alarming issues in public health. The first issue is infectious disease and chronic diseases. As we have already discussed, that India is battling a double burden of disease. There is infectious disease and NCDs are also increasing. So there is environmental health hazard. As we all know, currently the world is battling very bad air quality, global warming, lot of environmental pollution. And also there is mental health disorders. People are suffering from loneliness, anxiety, depression. Lot of mental health issues are coming up. Already our world is divided into like economical status, socio-demographic disparities that has created a huge gap in health disparities, health inequities. Health system strengthening is also a very major issue because a health system which is strong and efficient that can deliver good public health in any country. So the core structure of public health in health system strengthening. Now the public health and hygiene. Public health and hygiene involves practices and measures that prevent the spread of diseases in a healthcare setting and that can promote a clean and healthy environment in a hospital. So these are the all aspect of public health that we will teach you in this course, which is affiliated by IPA and American Accreditation Association. So you will learn in depth about all aspect of public health, about the various scope, about the areas where you can gain skill and use it in your practical field. Now the multidisciplinary approach. The approaches are health communication, where you involve education of the public about various health issues. Then there is health policy, developing and implementing health regulation for a population, health research, to improve a health outcome of a country, of a population. There is a huge scope of research and health innovation. As we know, there are different technologies that are coming to solve the health challenges of this of countries. So here also we can involve. Now the career opportunities. Public health offers a diverse career opportunities in various sectors like clinical research, pharmacovigilance, medical writing, regulatory affairs, health economics, outcome research, as well as in central government hospitals, state-run hospitals, research center. There are job opportunities for public health professionals. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I will explain about this slide, ma'am. So before going to that previous slide, ma'am, you can just put in the previous slide so that if the students having any questions, and they are going to ask you, ma'am, so that you can clarify the doubts about the training program or else any job opportunities. As you are a working professional and you have an experience more than 10 years in this industry, so they will ask you some questions. It is more helpful for the students, right, ma'am?
Sure.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Myself, Nitya.
Hello.
Ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, my doubt is, even I'm from Kerala, so even in southern parts of Kerala, now there is a thing called public health managers, public health intern for a clinic setup. So I would like to know what it might be, like what kind of job we have to do as a public health manager for a clinic setup. Because there are openings like this, I think 1 or 2 openings in Kerala. This is a new thing to me. That's why I'm asking.
Okay. As per my knowledge, in a public health field job, the role involves like disease screening. If there is any outbreak, there is outbreak investigations. Basically, it's a role where you are involved in investigating any outbreak and also screening the population for various health conditions. So there is a it's a multi disciplinary approach. So you will be a part of a team where your job will be like in disease screening and epidemiology part.
Ma'am, does that involve public education? Whether we have to educate the public, is that sort of thing?
Yeah, yeah. As a public health professional in any job role, creating health awareness is a part of our role only. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, also one more doubt. Ma'am, there is this thing called supplement of IEC, supplying IEC materials. That is information contents, educational content like that. Any idea on that, ma'am? What to do?
In those sectors, there are like you can like produce some awareness campaign like health education like charts posters in your local language for local people to creating behavioral change, promoting healthy behaviors. So these are like I see.
So you can learn in our training program. Don't worry about this. Okay, you can more about this program in our program. You're going to learn.
Sure.
Yeah, if you have any questions, let them you can unmute yourself and you can ask the question. Any student, anyone. Okay, any students are there? So if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. Oh, okay, what the companies? Yes. Ma'am, here the question is Hardik is asking, ma'am, how to be a program manager in public health domain, and what are the companies where we can start our journey in public health domain?
Uh,
He's asking the question, ma'am.
As I already discussed, that public health has a diverse career opportunity, be it research, be it NGOs. So it depends on the skill that you acquire from the course, and if you have a good knowledge, good skill, there are opportunities in MNCs where you can work as a researcher, as a research assistant, and also in NGOs you can work in a field researcher, and also there are central and state government run hospitals and research institute where you can work.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, you can stop the sharing of screen, ma'am, so that I can share my screen.
Sure.
Yes. Okay. So Clinoxy Solutions offering a 3 months public health training program. It's an advanced training program. We call it as a training program name. In these 3 months, you are getting a 3 months course completion certificate, 5 months job guidance, one personal reference, and we have a Monday to Thursday daily sessions in the evening time, and we are giving you recording sessions that live classes are recorded and it is uploaded in our portal. We are giving LMS access to you so that you can, if you are missing the session, you can rejoin the session again. And we are giving a job guidance is like 5 months so that I can give you clarity. So if you are taking a training in public health in our Clinoxy Solutions training in our institution or in our organization, after training program, we are giving you one schedule interview. Schedule interview means I will make you some clarity. We are sharing your profile to the HRs. We are sharing your resume to companies and making it sit with the in front of interviewer. So that is a one schedule interview for personal reference, we call it as. If you are missing that opportunity also, we are giving you 5 months job guidance and job assistance to you. And coming to Clinoxy Solutions Private Limited, we having a national accreditations LSSDC, LSSDC, NSDC, IPA, and Skill India. So you can see here our sample course completion certificate with affiliation Indian Pharmaceutical Association. In the left side you can see, in the downside you can see our national accreditations of Indian government. You can see here. Okay. So as I told you previously, we are recognized, our training program curriculum meets the standards of international and globally. So that's why we got the global accreditation certification is American Accreditation Association. So whatever you are doing the course with us, your recognized, your certification is recognized globally. So if you're putting in your resume, it is add upon your weightage upon your resume. See here, this is a sample. This is our American certification registration certificate. You can see here registration number and our training programs what we are giving. This is a sample American accreditation certification. So as I shown you, this one is the in course completion certification, which is national accreditations, that is Indian Pharmaceutical Association with our national and other accreditations. This one is the American accreditation certification, which we won't give you. This is directly from our American accreditation company's website. So if you are taking our training program, you will get a certificate with a picture, with your photo. So what the key features of American accreditation means? So you will get a custom QR code. So if you scan here, it is redirecting to the website of American accreditation page, government's web page, and your certificate visible like this directly. And if you're sharing custom URL, so we are giving you, you will get a custom URL so that you can mention in your LinkedIn, or if you can directly share to any HRs or any person, so that directly the certification is visible over there. You did a course and international standards you met, and you having an international exposure of this certificate. See, here you can see our key uses and global recognition of American accreditation certificate. If you're having a plan of abroad, or else you're looking for any opportunities in abroad, this American accreditation certificate give top rated universities you will get through this accreditation certificate. And if you want to write an exams of international licensing exams like NAPLEX, TOEFL, GRE, CAPS, PSI, SPLA, and DHA and Pepsi Canada, so it is more helpful to you. It is valid over there also in abroad. So if you want to work in Indian companies, top CRO companies and MNC companies, any top recognition organization, yeah, it is recognized by an Indian government also, so that you can get a good opportunities in top CRO companies and MNC companies also through this American accreditation certificate. If you want to write an exam, so it is valid in the government exams also. So if you useful in positions like CDS, CO, drug inspector, railway job opportunities, hospitals, and many more. So you can see here 4 key features of this. So personalize the design with your photo, like your 10th class marks memo or degree or whatever it may be, PG marks memo. With your photo, the certificate is there. Online visibility in a website, you can share to anyone. And you have a custom URL, custom QR code. You will get a QR code scanner for this training certificate. So here you can see advancing your career with the American Accreditation Association. So global academic advancements. So the certification for admissions to top international universities, as I told you previously, and having a professional licensing. So use the certificate to support applications for various international licensing exams also. And industry recognitions, gain an edge in the job market with a credential recognized by leading CRO companies. As I told you, if you want to work in the top MNC and CROs, it is useful. The government examinations also. So it's a AAA certification from Clinox is more than just a certificate. It's a passport to global opportunities in pharmaceutical and healthcare industry. By obtaining these credentials, you are not just completing a course, you are investing a future filled with diverse career paths and international recognition through this training program. So guys, we have only limited seats for this training program. So kindly contact to this number plus 741 91 plus 74160 96799. So guys, we are starting a new batch and we have only limited seats. We are taking only 20 seats, 20 students in a batch. Hurry up guys for the admissions. Hope you like we are going to start the session. Hope you see in that session also in our training program also. Guys, if you have any questions about this training program, let's just unmute yourself and can you ask me a question so that I can help you about your queries about any training program, whatever it may be. Anyone? Yes. Are you there, guys? 74160967999. So you can connect to this number. You can contact us. We have a team. We have admission counselors. They are going to help you your queries about more queries about the training program, more queries about your doubts. So I'm sharing you in the chat box the number, and I also shared you a Google form here so that you can register now. You can just give me your details over there in the registration form. Our team is going to connect with you. If you have any queries, just put a message through WhatsApp at least, or else if you're giving a call to this number, our team is going to connect with you guys. So I'm waiting for you guys. Just if you have any queries, just unmute yourself and you can ask any questions. Okay. So guys, hope I see you in our training program. So kindly contact to this number. So all the best for you guys about your career. So we are only the first institution giving you 2 certifications. Be reminder, just I'm giving a reminder to you. Through IPA, you will get a certificate and a international certificate and international certificate. Okay. So hope you guys see in our session. Hurry up, guys, for the admissions. Already, so many members are registered for this training program. So hope you guys see you in our training program. I'm waiting for you guys. Thank you.